Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katherine and this is Justbeingkatherine. Today's video is a styling and decorating hot cocoa bar using a bar cart. Hot cocoa is definitely one of my favorite winter drinks. It's my go-to when it's cold outside because I don't drink coffee. It is the one warm drink that I have during the winter time or holidays. This year I wanted to do something a little different and not go with your traditional colors. I wanted to pick up right where I left off. If you've seen my Decorate With Me for Christmas video, I'll link it right here. The theme was a eclectic, woodsy, Scandinavian type of style that I had going on all throughout the house. So I am carrying that same theme to the bar cart. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. And if you like what you see during the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. So whenever we do host, this bar cart is a hot spot for people because this is where the drinks are located. This is where people make their hot chocolate, whatever they need. This is the area that they come to. Our cart has a bronze outlining and a woodsy top on the top and bottom. The spacing is small, so as much as I want to do a lot of decorating, it still has to be functional. This area is a small area between our kitchen and living room where I keep the bar cart, and as you can see, this is also where the light switch and thermostat is, and not much that we can do about this part, but I do have an idea. So I just got back. I had to go to the grocery store to pick up some items for the hot chocolate bar, and I just have to get things like marshmallows, whipped cream, hot chocolate, all miniature sizes. And it was so funny because the guy at the register was like, "So it's like you're gonna have a sugar rush?" I was like, this is not only for me, but it's so funny because look how tiny these marshmallows are. They can fit in the palm of my hand. And then I just got some whipped cream. I usually make my own whipped cream, but I didn't want to have a lot left over. And then I got some like donuts for the board to do like a miniature dessert board. And then some packages of hot chocolate. We're going to start by adding this huge textured Christmas tree that I also had in the corner of our kitchen, and I want to bring that to bring in some height. Now for the more functional part, adding a pink serving tray because I love the color pink, and it will be used as a dessert tray and to draw in more of that color. Using the ramekin bowls to separate and add the treats that we will be using in our hot chocolate. So this spot is where you're going to be adding the essentials, dishes, utensils, anything that you're going to be using. Of course, you can't have a hot chocolate bar without having hot chocolate. I am going with the packages to make it much easier and less messy. Bringing in my favorite holiday towels this year, I am layering them over the bar handle. I feel like it was missing something, so I'm going to add some greenery to it. And I just took the garland, the miniature size garland that I had on my table. Again, so if y'all haven't seen my video, you definitely gotta go check it out because I'm really just using a lot of the same stuff and I'm incorporating them into this bar cart as well. Spread it out, give it some height, depth, and bring in the color to the bar cart. So far, I am liking how this is placed. I didn't do anything to it. I literally just tucked the brown part underneath the bar handle and around. And then this part is sitting on the back edge of this. Very stiff garland, so thankfully it's gonna sit up like this, and I like it this way. Last year, a lot of y'all may remember that Target came out with these mugs, and this year they came out with these mugs. And this mug is actually the inspiration that's driving the style for this bar cart today. Keeping in mind that the bar cart has a gold outlining and a woodsy top and bottom, I wanted to bring in that winter wonderland that I have going on in my tree and our TV console. So I am gonna use, yes, once again, the faux fur rug or throw, whatever you wanna call it. I'm gonna use it at the bottom to bring in some of that texture that we just talked about. I pulled out a medium-sized glass dessert tray for some height. And Lindt chocolate is a favorite holiday candy of ours, so I had to add some. We will be using a wooden board that will hold light snacks such as crackers and meat. And I know it sounds weird, but it's a really good light snack to have with hot cocoa. Half the battle of styling a bar cart is positioning and repositioning items until you like it. Last year, Target actually brought out a bunch of hot chocolate themed things after December, and they had things like hot chocolate banners, templates, wooden frames with wording like hot chocolate for 25 cents or made with love. At this point, I still think that it is missing something. So I'm gonna take some Pom Pom Garland, loop it in the front. Now this really makes it pop. Like, it breaks up the white at the bottom, it breaks up the gold and the wood. If I can find these items, I will link them in the description box below if you're interested. This is a cocktail gold drink stirrer that will be great to get to those hard to reach areas in the most oddly shaped holiday mugs that we all like. I went the easier route and I got the little already made sticks and the chocolate covered spoons. And with the hot chocolate bar, I wanted to do something a little different by bringing in a dessert charcuterie board. And this is gonna be a miniature one. It's my husband and I, so we don't need too much food, but we wanna have enough. And look at these gorgeous snowflake marshmallows. And to top everything off, I am gonna be putting up this sign that I also made last year. And here I am cutting a piece of twine and taping it to the inside. I'm just gonna put this back on the wall, and I really love how it brings it together, the woods, the whites. It's just so pretty. It's different and it's unique. There you go, a hot chocolate bar styled on a bar cart. I hope you enjoyed this video and took away some inspiration for yourself. This is gonna be my last video for the year of 2019. This was huge for me to step out of my comfort zone and bring my YouTube channel back. So I just wanna say thank you so much for watching me for the past 8 months, and I will see you all in 2020. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and happy New Year's to all of you all. See you in 2020, bye.